Welcome to Late Nights and Last Minutes with your librarian host, Ruby LaValle.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be covering Engineering Village Compendex. First of all, if you're going through Western Libraries here, you need to make sure you've logged in. I already have, as you can see by the proxy up in the URL there, but you'll need to be logged in and you'll need to do that. Then I'll click Databases. We're going to go to Engineering because today we're covering the basics of engineering searching. And there's Compendex right there. It's sometimes referred to as EI Compendex, but today, just Compendex. I'll wait for load. As you can see here, automatically Quick Search is going to come up. And this is going to be what you'll use most of the time. It's going to be default set to all fields, as you can see here. There's lots of other ways you can limit your search. And we can just type in here. Say the main thing we want to cover is we want it to be an article about planes. Let's type that in. And then the great thing about boolean searching is we can add some extra things after that. We can make our search as complicated as we want. So you see these and drop downs over here. You can change that to and or. So we can search for planes, and we also want the word lift somewhere in there, and or I guess we want aerodynamics. So this will search the database for articles that contain the word planes and either lift or aerodynamics in any of their fields. As you can imagine, this is a pretty broad search we've got going on here. Click search. Oh, also we can limit our search, so we could limit it to journal articles only. We could limit it to experimental documents only. We can change the language to English, which I'm going to do right now because I unfortunately don't speak any other languages. So let's click search. Ta-da! As you can see, we have a ton of results. So that search works okay if you've got time to go through a bunch of stuff here. I want to show you a few more Boolean search tricks that you can take advantage of. So let's look back at our terms and see if we can make these any broader. So for example, say I wanted any word that began with arrow. So this will search planes and lift or any word beginning with the 4 letters of arrow. That's why we use that truncation symbol, the star on your keyboard. As you can see, we've ended up with even more results. So that works pretty nice. Another thing we can do is to use the wildcard symbol. So say we wanted aerodynamic or aerodynamics. We would use the question mark there so that it can be either a blank character or an S.
Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more, click the Advanced button to view Part 2 of this tutorial.